Hey rock stars, sorry to interrupt your Monday, but we've discovered there's a little bit of an issue with our official BiG3 page. The fact is that where the Simple Freedom Club image should be, at the moment there is no image in place. We're still not 100% clear about what happened exactly. But what we're going to do is we're going to replace this missing image warning and we're going to put an actual image back in place. So the video that you're watching right now is going to be on a blog page, and it's going to be included in the weekly training archives on the blog titled Quick Fix BiG3 SFclub Image. Okay? The first thing I want to bring your attention to is this will be the video that you're watching right now, and below the video is going to be the actual replacement image itself in the correct size, and below the replacement image is also going to be the actual image URL itself. Okay, so when it comes to replacing the image, you're going to be able to either right click and then copy image address, okay, right here, copy image address, or you will be able to simply copy and paste the image URL itself, whichever is going to work easiest for you. But the first thing we need to do is we need to get into your AIOP Splash Builder, okay, and from the Splash Builder you're going to be here where you see all of your pages, and you're going to want to find your BiG3 page. Okay, mine happens to be here, and if you just click on view the page, you're going to see, oh yeah, I've got no image, right? Not a big deal. We just back up and we go to edit page, and when we click on edit page and we scroll down, when you get into the editor box here, you're going to see that, yep, here's the big ugly message. Alright, now here's exactly what you need to do to fix this. Just a couple of quick and easy steps. Number one, you should be able to just come to the side with your cursor like I'm doing here and kind of highlight over the image and then simply delete it. When you do that, you're going to see your cursor is still flashing here. That's good. Now you're going to come back to the actual blog page itself, and beneath the video you can either copy the URL itself, or what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click and copy image. I'm going to come back to my Splash Builder. My cursor is still in place, okay, don't move that. The other thing you want to do is you want to be careful. You don't want to be interfering with the image for the Get Instant Access button, because otherwise you can disable that. So the way we just went through the process is perfect. The cursor is right where it's supposed to be at this point. Come up and click on the little image icon, okay, insert it. You see when I hover over it, insert edit image, just click to open it up, and I'm just going to paste that URL that I copied in place. You see how it shows up there. When I click off of it, it's going to load in the dimensions, 314 by 101. That's perfect. I'm just going to call this SFclub image. Okay, I'm just going to type that into the description, and then I'm going to click insert, and when I do that, the image appears in place, right? Now all I need to do at this point is click update settings, and then once I'm out of the box, I'm going to update settings one more time. I'm going to view splash page, and the only thing I notice is that because of where the cursor was, the image itself is a little left of center. Not a big deal, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back into the editing area. I'm going to get my cursor back here on the left hand side of the image, not interfering with the button, just on the image, and I'm simply going to hit the space bar and just try to center it a little better. If I scroll over, I can see it. Alright, that looks pretty good. And I'm going to update settings again. I'm going to come back. I'm going to look at the page. Looks like that. Looks pretty good. Pretty much over the top. Now the image is in place. And the good news is that I have control of that image, so it's not going to go bye-bye ever again. So that's it, folks. That's the quick fix. Simply come back, pause the video step by step if you need to, but the image itself, the image URL, everything is right on the Weekly Training Archive blog page. I'm going to share that into the group. I'm going to email it out to the downlines. It'll be available for everyone. Sorry about the inconvenience. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your Monday.